14 ऑक्टोबरच्यान भारत आणि श्रीलंकामदी फेरी सेवा सुरू जाल्या. तामिळनाडूच्या नागापट्टिनम ते श्रीलंकेतल्या कानकेसंतुराय मजगती ही फेरी सेवा चलतली. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
We are embarking on a new chapter in the diplomatic and economic relations between India and Sri Lanka. The launch of a ferry service between Nagapattinam and Santurai is an important milestone in strengthening our relations. Friends, India and Sri Lanka share a deep history of culture, commerce, and civilization. Nagapattinam and towns nearby have long been known for sea trade with many countries, including Sri Lanka. The historical port of Pumpuhar has been mentioned as a hub in ancient Tamil literature. Sangam age literature like Pattatina Palai and Mani Mekalai speaks about boats and ships moving between India and Sri Lanka. During the G20 summit, the India, Middle East, Europe Economic Corridor was launched. This is an important connectivity corridor that will create a massive economic impact on the whole region. The people of Sri Lanka will also benefit from it as we strengthen multimodal connectivity between our two countries. I thank the President, the government, and the people of Sri Lanka for the successful launch of the ferry service today.